I was standing in the doorway, shadow heavy on my name, hands empty like the sunrise, heart carrying quiet shame.
Then your mercy like a trade wind blew the dust from off my eyes. Chains falling in the stillness, I step into brand new light. Every step now,
Every breath now,
every heartbeat saying why.
Jah is the threshold of my life, where I lay my past down,
Step into your fire.
from the cross you open wide every prison gate.
Every hidden lie,
My body proclaims it, my spirit rejoices. Freedom from the darkness, I lift up my voices. Oh, Jah is the threshold of my life. Oh, victory in your sacrifice.
I remember when I doubted, thought the storm would never end.
But your grace became my shelter, turned my enemy to friend. Now we dance upon the story,
All the tears you turned to song.
every scar a hallelujah. Proof your love is deep and strong.
Every step now,
Every breath now, every heartbeat testifies. Jah is the threshold of my life, where I lay my past down, step into your fire. From the cross you open wide every prison gate.
every hidden lie,
My body proclaims it, my spirit rejoices. Freedom from the darkness, I lift up my voices. Oh, Jah is the threshold of my life. Oh, victory in your sacrifice. I was lost, now I'm laughing.
Oh, yeah.
Feet on holy ground tonight.
I was saved, now I'm dancing.
Spinning in your perfect light. Every wound you turn to weakness, every fall you raise me high. We will shout this truth forever. Jah, you are the reason why. Jah